Okay, um, I actually just, um, I was trying to fix, a bug with OBS. It's not really a bug with OBS, it's, a bug with, Google Chrome, where if you have a certain setting turned on, you can't, like, direct window capture it. But anyways, so, I've seen a lot of people do videos on their old Scratch projects, and that's what I'm gonna do. See, because these are back from 2017, 2018. They're not too old, but they're old. Now, I don't really use Scratch that much anymore. I've been using a game maker, and, I have some knowledge in HTML, CSS, and a little bit in JavaScript. Um, that including, Python. Um, see, I, and another language that I try to learn is Java, but then I get into it and it's like public static, private vinyl extends this, that, and then you have another public, private, static void inside of it, and you do all that just to write hello world. Now I get that it makes it more advanced than anything that doesn't use it, because it like I said in my game maker tutorial, you're controlling it more, and that makes it better. But an- anyways, okay, yeah. This is my old Scratch account, Weevil Beetle. I feel like I should show you this one first. Um, because hold on, I need to check something. Yeah, I feel like I need to show you this one first because I made it. Um, basically, I made it basically because who just me hating. Okay, if you don't know what Reading Plus is, it's this program my school used back in middle school to basically get us better at reading. And what it pretty much was is you'd go on there, there's a vocabulary thing, and then the reading thing, which I didn't like at all, was where you went on there and you had stories you could read. And then there were questions at the end. You're not going to get away with that. Without that, there's always questions. Um, you know, um, but before I show you this, I'm just explaining Reading Plus. And then when I got into like sixth or seventh grade, no, seventh or eighth grade, I think. There's these things called combos in Reading Plus, and a combo is when you get two stories like 80% or higher. And the problem with that was our goal was to get two combos a week. If you read one story and you get the required criteria, and then you don't on the second one, that combo restarts. Then you have to do that again until you get that combo, do the other combo, and then you're done. But then there's more, vocabulary stuff we had to do. But yeah, I think you can tell by these videos. I spent a lot of time on that vocabulary thing. Yeah, definitely. Um, yeah. Anyways, here's the Reading Plus basically death threat, not an actual death threat, but just see for yourself. So yeah, if you don't know why this is here, I have a Chrome extension called Scratch add-ons. You can get it and change the colors of the blocks, make it look like 2.0 blocks. Make your own "This will be Scratch in 2015" meme. Yeah, that's Reading Plus die. Oh, if you the screaming in the background is actually me and my sister, like 3 years ago. A lot of these were made for another one of my channels that you may or may not know about. So Hurricane Hustle. Critters Bash. This one's code is ridiculously inefficient. It's now at first glance you know automatically what this is. It's a FNAF fan game. It's like Ultimate Custom Night. And then let's see. Hey guys, today I'm gonna play Trader's Bash 50-20 mode. This originally was gonna have like a 70-20 mode or 10 70-10 mode. Okay, I never finished this game. Okay, look. Elsa! Oh, and then you have to click on that, you have to click on that, and then you have to click on that, then you have to click on that, and then I died. Yeah, that's Critters Bash. Oh, I forgot to show you the code. That's why I opened this thing in the first place. See inside. So this is why the code. Now, okay. If touching mouse pointer, that's, just your code for making, change the difficulty. But when you get into Little's actual programming, it's ridiculously inefficient. For each difficulty, you have a whole if block of code setting 2 new variables. There's 3 variables per these 10. 30 variables per character. That's ridiculous. I could have used basic mathematics. The thing is, I'm pretty good at math, and I could have used that to my advantage, like putting some kind of like equation into here to like make it, a smooth transition between not the little minimum, little maximum, and then you go over to here to and you get, oh, look at this, look at all these variables. I don't know if it's 30 per character, but it's a lot. No, it's not 30 per character, it's 3 per character, but it's like 30, like, I don't know, 30 possible, whatever. Yeah, so the code for this is just ridiculous, and that's probably why I never finished it. Because there were 70 characters playing for this game, and it was ridiculous. I can actually, I'll pull up the original roster for this game and, show you how ridiculous this would have been. So, this was the original roster. And, it's like, is this 70? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's 70. 70 characters. There was no way anyone. The thing was, we said, if you beat it, and you have proof, we'll make a separate version of the game and add your OC to it. So, you like, unless you like are on Discord with me, you have no idea who any of these people are. Long story short, these guys are from one of my stories, basically cartoons I want to make one day. And you probably know who Uma is. You definitely know who Uma is if you know me on Discord. Like most of these have roots like way back, like this one. And this one is actually from another of my Scratch games that I want to show you. That's not important right now. So, where is it? That game? Oh, here it is. Hurricane Hustle. This was kind of based on Five Nights at Freddy's, but it was a little different. Is 60 FPS gonna help this? That's not good. Okay. Oh, I'm trying to use this extension to do stuff. So yeah, you have to avoid this thing. It's called a hurricane. It doesn't look like one, but there's a bunch of controls for stuff, and you have to, And then there's hack countdown. Then that thing goes across your screen, and something killed me. I don't know what it was. I made 8 sprites for this thing. But it's Scratch, so it's easy to do. Hack countdown. Okay. By the way, most of these are playable still. I think these were made back in like Scratch 2.0. Yeah. See, the like main reason I stopped using Scratch was because I died to something, I don't know what. Was because back when 3.0 came out, everything was fine. I used it at school all the time on my computer. But wait, no, that's not what happened. What happened was, this is a complete inside joke right here. What happened was, when Scratch updated 3.0, when they banned the FNAF search term, the Chromebooks, because of and I know what it is because I searched it, and everyone's saying it's the same thing. Because our Chromebooks have this thing called GoGuardian that basically disallows certain actions and doesn't let you go on certain things. Like, probably like 99.9% of the internet is blocked at our school. Luckily, Scratch isn't blocked. I mean, it wouldn't be too bad if it was, because something I'm going to get into right now. Scratch 4.0 combined with GoGuardian gets you lag spikes, and every like 10 seconds it pauses for 10 seconds, or 5 seconds about, and it's like unplayable. It's playable, but it's very not playable. Ignore that. I tried to remake it, but I never finished it. What else is there? Peanut House Party. Yeah, definitely. This is, once again, kind of a FNAF-based game. And just like every YouTuber ever did with Ultimate Custom Night, I'm just gonna go right into, all of them on mode. Also, something I was going to say at the beginning of this video, I can't guarantee these videos are going to be perfectly smooth because, I'm recording on a laptop I got from Amazon. Well, it's not a cheap laptop, but it's not a modern base price laptop. It's not like an $1,000 like everyday laptop. But anyways, watch this. I've played this before, but just watch. Yeah, so, like, these are classified as, like, distraction peanuts. Like, if I turn all of these on, if I turn all of them on, you'll see all the jump scares. Yeah, that's what that is. I know I talked about Aquapillar in my I'm working on a game video. This was a Scratch version of Aquapillar. Oh, this is the mobile version, but it works on PC too. Why are the bullets orange? They should be red in this level. And then there's this glitch, programming error that I made where Scratch does certain things with things, and the bullets like move in ways they're not supposed to. I'll probably do a video showing the newer version of Aquapillar that's actually pretty good. It's not like AAA good. It's not like E.T. the game good, but it's good. This game is like really easy to beat, and for like mobile players, I added this teleport button to just help them. Oh, you probably see this. This isn't really like a game, but it's more like, those things on YouTube, like Barney errors, Caillou gets grounded. This is basically my attempt at that. It's basically a Mac.
Ooh, How dare you cancel the update? I will now force shut down and update IT myself.
Yeah, that's all it is. What else should I show you guys? Something that, was pretty cool. This. Okay. Now you're probably thinking, what's the Bullcrud song? Now the Bullcrud song is it's exactly what it sounds like. Why I made it, I have no idea, but here it is.
Bullcrud, it's so tasty to eat. The bullcrud, it's a taste for me. Bullcrud is so tasty to eat. Why don't you join my taste? Bullcrud! Why don't you eat some bullcrud today?
That's, yeah, I don't know. Oh, here's this, this, I wouldn't say it's an inside joke, but it's kind of a, development of a joke between me and one of my friends that I may or may not still be friends with. I honestly don't know at this point, but, you can change the colors, and there's costumes. How do you change the costumes? Oh, yeah. There's, Christmas costume, there's, an angry costume. So there's this thing in our school system, in the middle school and high school, called Turkey Shootout. And, it's basically like a Thanksgiving, times, basketball tournament. And, that's basically what it is. And we're watching this, and we come up with these, ridiculous things about water turkey, peanut shootout, and pardon the water turkey, and that's how peanut shootout came to be. If turkey shootout never existed, peanut shootout would never exist. Yeah. My school actually did something that changed my future. This is... This joke goes way back. Stay home. Which is the staying home from school kind of stay home. Okay, so, you just, put in, name, date, today, reason, it's winter break, it is, grade, job break. Now the kind of, Mad Lib, structure of this makes it kind of weird when the full excuse is generated. Grade 9, put in random card number, random 3-digit number, whatever. So yeah, Zora and I will stay home from 9 on today. It just doesn't make sense. What else is there? I feel like there's something I should show you that I'm not finding that's, really important. Well, this was my, most low-quality game of all time. Cutes and the Money Worker. And yes, I did make the music for this game. Yes, that is, was made in GarageBand. I seem to have this thing where if something's made in GarageBand, I automatically know that it's made in GarageBand. But, I don't have an Apple device anymore. I haven't touched one in years. So I wouldn't know. Yeah, there is kind of a, loop in the background, drum loop, but the, horns and the very, very quiet, high-pitched electric guitar, if you can hear it, I made that part. What you do in here is you get money, reach that many coins, and then buy that. The goal is to reach infinity cash, which seems impossible, but with Scratch, once you get to a certain, very high point, it just goes infinity. And then, you can invest and stuff. And then you have a vault, and it counts up, whatever. Some of these are basically, old things, but, I reviewed this one on my other channel. Should I review that one? Yeah. What else is there? This is also a scratch version of one of my games. My, Game Maker games. Yeah, the eyes, misplaced, but it does follow your cursor. Yeah, there's really nothing to it. It's just, you click him, he gives you money, and then he takes the money. Like the other game, there's nothing suspicious about this. It's completely kid friendly. There's no death in this one. Why does the thing open every time I do a video? So yeah, I've kind of trapped myself with the Windows 11 betas because I'm in the developer channel and I can't get out of it because I need to install a clean whatever, and I'm not doing that. But there's nothing bad in this game. Oh. What else is there? Here's my attempt at making a Fortnite game. This art isn't too bad, but it's also bad at the same time. Once again, if you know who Uma is, you know who Uma is. Kill 0. So what weapons did I get? I got the Uma rocket. It's mythical. That's like the best weapon in this game. As you can see, there's bounds to the map. I don't know what this was, but you really can't do anything in this game. I think I'll show you like one more, and then this video will be over. This isn't really a FNAF fan game. It was like one jump scare. What else is there? Why don't I just show you, before I show you that, so I'm gonna keep going down, see if there's anything cool. Okay. I need to show you this. This will probably be the last thing for this video. It was basically a YouTube poop of a pre-made project. So yeah, there's colors, there's YTP, and then there's a dog, and then it glitches, and then all of my, okay, this is besides the point, but all of my gun like things and anything have been where there's like this sound effect, and then there's the sound effect, and then there's blood everywhere. It's just the same structure for everything. I don't get it. So that's it for this video. I'm not gonna make this video an hour long. So this video has been 23 minutes.